Hello everyone. So let's identify the mistakes which my student has done, and let me start by telling that this is the brush calligraphy, and this is the paper, the graph sheet which I usually tell my students to buy whenever they are practicing the brush calligraphy than taking any workbook and practicing over that. By doing this method, your improvement will be better when compared to that. So this is how I recommend, but again it's totally up to you. Now in this, if you see, there are already the slant lines. So whenever you're writing the alphabet, you have to follow the slant lines. Now let's start identifying the mistakes from the alphabet A. Now here, let's take the example of this. This is still okay. She followed the slant line and she has followed and did it. That's fine. Now what about the second line? That also you're supposed to follow the line. So that is how you have to do it. And similarly now B. Follow the line. And then again follow the slant line. So this is how you're gonna identify it, and still this is still fine, this is still fine, and this one again the same way. Follow the line. We already did the slant line, so why not follow it? Now for the I, follow the slant line and do it. And similarly for J as well, as you can actually follow the slant line, and this is still okay. She has properly followed, no problem. And so this is how you're going to identify each and every mistake of, you can identify yourself, and you have to follow some of the points, like whenever you're doing a brush calligraphy, always be as slow as possible. So that plays a major role. You should never hurry and understand each stroke. Even before starting the alphabet, try to practice the strokes as much as possible. So that plays a major role. Now see, this distance is a lot. Now this distance is small. So why so much of difference when it's the same alphabet? So these are some of the points what you have to see, observe, and then only go. As a beginner, this work is still fine. But as and when you keep practicing, this should be improved. And I'm sure my student will surely improve. I have that confidence on all my students. So she will definitely improve further. So finally, when you're really a beginner of brush calligraphy, few things what you have to remember is, one thing, go very slow. Second point, understand the strokes, which is very important. And third point, understand the slant lines as well. If you're unable to do the slant lines, you're not ready to go for slant lines and all, start with straight lines also, no problem. But still, you should understand whether your strokes are going proper or not. So these are some of the points to remember whenever you're doing a brush calligraphy. Understand a thin stroke and a thick stroke as well. These play a very, very major role in beautification of the brush calligraphy. So thank you so much. Bye.